Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to restore your car's headlights. I did to my car, so I want you guys to watch this. Okay, cool. They placed the toothpaste on one of the headlights, so I just got the weight cloth. And now you can tell the difference how it was before, because I'm still, as you can see, I'm still cleaning. As I'm cleaning, you can see actually the lights from the inside, so it's very bright. So let's still continue. There we go, guys. As you can see, it's already shining. So basically, what's next I do, I just take the toilet paper. As you can see, just put a small toilet paper. It's already dry. So I just start to remove all these foams that's on top. As you can see, look at it. Look at it. Look at that. See that? See how it's shining? You can see the difference? There you have it. Look at that. Hey guys, I'm back again. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and also subscribe below. Just subscribe below, so you'll be able to get more of our videos that will coming next. Thanks for watching. See you guys. Bye.